What's up, guys? You guys want to take your Polaris RZR from stock, very little flex, to being able to flex like this? Not only is that side jacked up, so is the other side. Alright guys, today we are going to fix one of my complaints on the RZR. It looks like we're flexed out really good here on the front, which is not horrible, but this isn't a super steep ditch. And I can take this tire and I can just ever so slightly spin it. We are going to go ahead and address that today. First step, we're going to remove the front sway bar. I don't find a need for it, so we're going to pop the front sway bar out. I'm going to keep the back sway bar in, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to pop this rear sway bar link in and out. And I'm just going to have 15 millimeter wrench with me at all times, so I can pop it in and out as I need it. So like when we do Tennessee next year, I can pop it out and we can have full flex front and back on it. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is get in here and take these two on each side, 15 millimeter nuts off. There's one on this side, one on the bottom, and then there's two on the opposite side as well. If we come over around to this side, there's one, two, so one there, one down there. Pop those off, and then I'll show you the next step there. All right, now that those back bolts are off, we're going to take these two 18 millimeter bolts off here, one on each side. So there's one there, our nut and bolt, and then one on this side, and that'll allow the sway bar links to release from the control arms. I'm going to leave the other side attached to the sway bar, just so I don't have to worry about them. All right, now that we got the bolts out of here on each side, we got those nuts out on the clasp there. We are just going to fish this thing out. All right, so we got the front sway bar completely out, so that's out of the equation. The rear sway bar, if you look here, it's missing the link because we took that link out. What this allowed us to do, if you want to come around with me to the front, is when you stand back and you look at the front, now this front is able to droop down, while this side is able to come up. With the front sway bar in there originally, it allowed like about 4 or 5 inches of travel either way. And if we come around to the back here, you'll see I have the rear jacked way up too. So now this can flex way up while the other side droops down. I was expecting good gains. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. This thing flexes out really good. I'm not even quite maxed out yet. It's pretty close. If I'm sitting in there, it'll settle back down, but without me in there, it comes up a little bit. Let me know your guys' thought. Again, free mods. Who doesn't love free modifications? Have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.